Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday to you all. Yeah, I'm back again. Collins God Begin on YouTube. The Truth Master. Yeah, that is me. My topic of today, or my discussion of today, is about the saga on social media. The saga must stop. Please, my people, mostly my Edo people, let the saga stop. I beg you guys in the name of God. Because why I'm saying this thing they give us bad name for the international world. You understand? Because I dey surprised to see my brothers, my sisters, they fight themselves on social media. May I even ask, wetin dey cause all these things? Wetin dey cause all this problem? Wetin dey cause all this fight? Because you dey see your brother they go up, or you dey see your sister they successful in life. Now they cause, because most of these things I dey feel say na jealousy. Now they cause these things. You understand? To me, I dey feel say na jealousy. Because when you see your people, your brothers, your sisters, they do good things. If you don't get money to support them with waiting you dey waiting good. Support them with, as in, encourage them. Encouragement matters in life. I dey surprised to dey see my brothers, my sister, they come out on social media, they fight themselves. They say to be a leader, not be by size. You understand? Most time I dey see all these my all those people wey call themselves social media presenters. They fight themselves. Wetin una dey drag? Wetin una dey fight for? Wetin una dey fight for? Wetin be all these ones? All these things don't really make sense. You understand? Because I know say some people no go like this my topic of today. Mostly some of my social media presenters, we call themselves presenters, they no go like these things. And most of people when see they support us, when they watch our videos, una they contribute to all this saga. Una they contribute to all these sagas. Person go there on live video. Una go dey say right on, yes, na so fire am. Insult that person. That person call your name for your platform. That person say you be this, you be this, you be this, and you be that. Insult that person, curse that person. And you, when you call yourself, say you be married woman, you be married man, you go come out, you go retaliate. You go retaliate, begin to insult the person back. All these things don't really make sense. All these things not good. And people when they do all these things, now adult people from my state, now they do all these things. If you done a live video, you don't get what you want to talk. Discuss about the bad road. Discuss about why Nigeria, why Edo State not they move forward, why development not dey that country, why stable electricity not dey Nigeria. Discuss about all those things. Use your platform to encourage peace. If we all they fight ourselves on social media, before you go know, Obaseki again go rule 8 years. Before you go know, Buhari 8 years go complete. They will give one that APC person when we say our people go dey suffer. Why we not fit come together? We say we did Europe, we say we did diaspora. Why we not fit come together to make a difference? Why we not fit come together to fire all these corrupt politicians, to fire all these people we don't want make our country move forward, to fire all these TV politicians, all these TV government and president? Why we not fit come out, use our platform to take fire them, to take fight back, to take fight our people? Why this one use our platform till they encourage evil, till they insult ourselves? It's not good. Okay, just look this man now, this Iranomigo when say he want to come out for governor. Oga, me I want to tell you this thing. This message come to you. You when you say you want to come out for governor, I don't get anything against you. I don't know you before. I don't get anything against you. But I want to give you some more advice. I want to advise you some more. You as a man when you get family, you as a man when you say you want to rule over how many millions of people, for Edo State, Oga, get that endurance. No be say person come out for social media and insult you. Tomorrow you will come out and insult that person. That one no leadership quality for your body if they do like that. Anybody when they behave like that, not be only you. To most of our people, of our leaders, you understand? No, they come out, they retaliate. No, endure. They say to be a leader is not a day job. You understand? I like what you they do. I like as you do Europe tour that day. You even come Italy. Yeah, go our embassy, talk to them about the Nigeria passport. Why be say the money big? Yes, I like as you take on, like as you take fight. But one thing when I always dey talk, as you fight that fight, why you not still put some machines to dey monitor these people? As you fight that fight, as you come out finish, all those people they increase the something again to do Nigeria passport. Now from 600 euro, 500. Now they do Nigeria passport. You understand? And this money not reach like that if you go Nigeria. But because of the corruption we still reach here, because the corruption we still reach our Nigeria embassy for Rome here, now make all these things still they happen. You understand? I like as not as you take on see do all these things. Yes, but one thing when you not get Oga, you not get endurance. Not be everybody you go reply. I'm sorry to say this, so if I offend you, I'm sorry. You understand? Not be everybody you go reply. Not be everybody when you just talk to you, or when you come out for social media, just talk, say, nice so you be, do your reply. No. You understand? Get that endurance. Ignore people, ignore things. If really you want to be a governor, ignore people, ignore things. You understand? This one will be say, and my people, one thing when so many people like na saga. You understand? If I just come out now, or as I come out now, I begin to say, na so this person be this, na so this person be this, na so this person be this. You see, I say I will get more than 10,000 viewers. They go, they support me, they go, they clap for me. Yes, right on. Yes, fire on this, that. Now, so when I do this thing, we be say, the movie take for problem. Yes. Now, so when I tell one way be say, the movie take for problem. When be say, if the movie dey on live video, when I go see people go they chat, say, yes, okay, yes, nice so, insult that person yes, not correct. And the movie go there, yes, he go dey pump, he go be like one pomon wey remain for okra soup. He go dey jump up and down. So you jump, not take push and enter problem when you go face for those states. When be say that man go pass through those things. My people they say people when they support person for quarrel, not they follow you, they pass there. Once they don't push you for that problem, once they don't push you for that thing, they go run leave you. You not go see any of them. When they move you go house, how many people buy ticket, go meet them for us, go stand by all those viewers when they watch them. How many people come out? Say, okay, I want to buy ticket, I want to go meet this man for Benin. Nobody. Okpoma yezo, eswama yiko. Yes. That is just it. This one advice to my colleagues, to social media presenters. Una they use una brain. Una stop all this saga. Saga not good. Una stop all this saga. Where do they gain from all this saga? Even because of this saga, some people know they eat. Some people they come from work, they go they do live video, they work out because they like saga. Some people, if they chat today for live video, you go this may be after the live video, they want to pay them 1 million euro. So people they go they chat, they insult other people, they bring other people down, they spot other people, you see the vein for their neck, the vein for their head, all of them go rise. If you bring that man down, you bring that woman down, what will be your gain? Which gain you dey gain for all these things? Which gain, my brothers and sisters, my adult people, which gain are they gain? Everything I want to ask, which gain are they gain? Una go see person when they do good thing, una go see person when they try to take people from suffer, una go they like to bring them down. Just look this man, Odion Osage or something like that. He put a foundation for Edo State to the air people. I don't know how many people that might not solve their problem. I don't know how many sick people that might not carry go hospital. with the support of God sent family. I not be their member, but I just want talk about these things more. You understand? You go carry people go hospital, they go treat them, they go do everything. Every Saturday, that man they cook free food. People they shop. But all these things when this man they do, people see they bring am down. People see they come out on social media, see they talk say na thief, na this, na this. E no good, my people. E no good. If we see person wey dey do good thing, more dey encourage am. If we see person wey dey do good thing, more even though say you no get money to contribute with encouragement. Encourage that person. You understand? Encourage that person. It go go a long way. That's why they try to bring things when they happen for America down to Edo State. To make sure say yes, our youth not dey lazy again. To make sure say our youth they work. To make sure say our youth they employed. Make we dey try to dey encourage person. Make we dey try. Make we dey bring people down. Because I know say yes, that mentality dey our blood. Yes, it dey our blood. I beg my people, let the saga stop. Use your platform to encourage peace. Use your platform. All of us come together. All of us when they are abroad, all of us come together. More fight our corrupt government. More fight our corrupt politicians. You understand? More make our country great again. More make Nigeria the giant of Africa back. More drive all those corrupt politicians, all those corrupt people. Come on for those posts. Please, my people. Please, we can do it. I know that we can do these things. We fix our platform. If all of us, when they outside Nigeria, if all of us come together, all of us, we use our platform, different platform we use them together. Just here say, all these corruptions, all of them go stop. Even though say not stop, but even though say all of them not just stop at once, but at least it go reduce. And our people for us, they go they enjoy. When we see this side, they don't go see this until they disturb us, they call us, they disturb us, bring money like that again. Please, my people, let this saga stop. Because I see an Edo person come out on social media, they insult another Edo person, and they cry. It dey pain me. It's not supposed to be like that. You never see other tribe come begin to insult themselves on social media. No. Now only Edo people. Only my state people. Why? Let love lead. Let brotherly love lead. I could boy a thing. Let all of us come together to make a difference, my people. Please, I beg of you. Let us stop this saga. Because this saga, they give us bad name in the international market. They give us bad name in the other people. Other people, when they look us, they go say, yes, they don't start again. They don't start again. Yes, look them, they don't start again. It's not good. More encourage peace, love. I beg my people. You go see this European day. You go see this European day. Black man to help black man a problem. But you go see all these Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indian, all these Moroccan people. If really they work, vacancy day, they go carry their person go. But as an African man or as a Nigerian, you go they work for somewhere, your boss go need other person for you to carry your Nigerian brother go there, no problem. You go carry that person from other country, go there. Because we hate ourselves. We hate ourselves. That is why you see the white people, they progress. Because the winch when they chop now, good winch. The winch when they chop not to make good things, not to bring development to their country, not to do good road, to construct aeroplane, to construct train, to construct motor, to do good things, to make sure say yes, they live fine. But we as a black man, the winch when we chop not to bring ourselves down, not to insult ourselves, not to kill one another, not to destroy one another, not to bring one another down. If you bring your brother down, which gain you go gain? Which award they want to give you? Which award? All this when they come out, all this my social media presenters, when they come out, they bring themselves down, they insult themselves. Which gain are they gain? Which gain are they gain? No gain. When I just all these things finish, at the end, no one that they pay on. Please, my brothers and sisters, let love lead. I could boy a thing. Let unity. Let unite. To make our state great, to make our country proud. You understand? If we fight the corruption within our country, you'll see our brothers when they die for Malaysia, when they die for Ghana, when they die for South Africa, when they die for Libya route. You see, as enough them go they come up for home for us again. All of them go they stay house. They also. Please, my people, let's come together and make a difference. Please, I beg of you. Must stop to the fight ourselves. Must stop to the insult ourselves. I use my platform to encourage peace. I use my platform to encourage oneness. Not be to the insult one another. Not be to the fight ourselves. Not to the disgrace ourselves. This social media, when we do so, anything when you talk here, any video when you make here, your children go come meet them. And what they when they baffle me pass? All these people when they come out, not they insult themselves. They be married men, they be married women. Okay, just imagine. You as a married woman, do they come out and insult that person's husband? Which respect you get for your husband for house then? You as a married man, you they come out for social media, they insult on that person's wife. Which respect you get for your wife when in their house? Which respect? Some of them when they make this live video, their husband or their boyfriend or their wife go there close to them, go tell them, say this thing when you do so, it's bad. You don't be past all these things. At least in life, we're supposed to know say yes, you get some things when we don't big pass in life. You get some things we don't big pass in life. Just imagine, for example, 40 years old man or 30 years old woman, we can't come out, can't go sit down for outside, they play with sand. Can't come out for outside, they play with sand. What did you go think about that person? Only man don't here a day yeke. Only day yeke. So please, my brothers and sisters, let be waiting some of us they do for social media. Let be waiting some of us they do for social media. You go come on for social media, they begin to insult that person's wife or that person's husband. We don't big pass all these things. We don't big pass all these things. If person insult you for social media, you just can't say that person no get sense. Forget about that person. No come and answer that person because they say if you behave like a mad person, follow madman. The both of them are mad people. That one me say the both of them are they mad. You went insult person for social media and the person can't come out, can't reply you, can't insult you back. The both of them are the same category, none are they. The both of you are in the same category. Yes, the both of you are in the same category, my brothers and sisters. Maturity, not be by size, not brain. Only no say yes, you get some things we don't big pass. You don't big pass something, you don't big pass or certain things. You understand? If you don't big pass or certain things in life, forget about all those things. Stop till they bring yourself down. Stop till they bring your brothers down. Stop till they bring your sisters down. You understand? Let love lead. If you are a social media presenter, that will not mean say you are a mad person. That will not mean say you say maybe you don't get sense. Do the right things on social media. Stop till they insult yourself. Stop till they fool yourselves. Stop till they fool yourself, my people. Please. Let's stop this because most people like saga video. If you just enter YouTube, you just say yes, na saga video. Some people they not go want to eat again. They go want they contribute. Yes, do this one, do this one, do this one. No, all these things not good. What is saga the benefit? What did they benefit from saga? What do you benefit from saga? Because you want to get 1,000 viewers, then you come and begin to insult people when you're supposed to insult for live video. You begin to insult, you begin to talk things when you're supposed to talk for live video. Because you want to get 1,000 viewers. Because you want to get 2,000 viewers. That will not be the right thing. That will not be the right thing to do. Even as I did on the live video, so I don't get viewer, I don't get anybody who watch me, no problem. But if I know what they do not the right thing, if I know what they talk, they make sense, they make brain. I don't get viewers when go push me for problem. Because if I did problem today, now my name and my picture now go they show for social media. Not be people will push me put. So why we not go just make peace? Why we not go just make sure say yes, the things when they do now waiting will make sense. Now waiting our children go grow come meet go say yes, when my father was a live social media presenter, all waiting they talk now good thing, all waiting they talk now to advise people, all waiting they talk they make brain. When my mother did that time, when we say na social media presenter, all waiting she they talk that time na good things, all waiting she they talk na good advice to people. Why you not fit come up on social media and make person learn from what you they talk? Why you not fit come up on social media and make person get things for what you they talk? Must we fight ourselves on social media? Must we fight ourselves? Yeah, my brother and sister, if you want to contribute, you can call me on +39 35 11 20 42 09. +39 35 11 20 42 09. You can call me and contribute to this topic. Saga must stop. Saga must stop on social media. Please, guys, share this video. It's very, very important. May get all those my colleagues, all those social media presenters like me. May get to them. May they for change. May they for get a rethink. May they for stop all this saga. May they for stop all this saga because this saga are not good. This saga they give us bad name in the international community. Who be that again? Na Edo person. Who be that again? Na Edo person. Who be that again from Edo State? All this video where will they make so? Where will they feel say? Na lie our people now they understand them. Na lie. Some Oyibo they hear all this language when they speak. If they don't even understand, there are maybe some of the married black woman, maybe some of the married black man. The man go translate to them which eye they want to look us. That is why Oyibo people they call us black monkey. They know they call us black monkey just for maybe for fun. Now because waiting we they do, because waiting most of our people they do. And because waiting most of our people they do on social media, because waiting most of our people they do, now they call us black monkey. Yes, we they come on to social media, they embarrass ourselves. Please let the saga stop. Let the fight on social media stop. Anybody insult you, take on. You big past those things. You are mature. You mature past them. Just take and see this person don't know what they talk. I may forget about this person. They say person when die, even get bad mouth. The people see they talk about it, they follow. Talk like a person with their life. Just look at this Nollywood actor when died that day. When that man they alive, no social media presenter carry and come out say sweetie this man, do sweetie this man, this man they act, I like him, and this man they do, I like him. But when he don't die, see many people they talk saying ritualist, many people they talk saying I saw it be, I saw it bad, I saw it be this one, I saw it be this one. Yes. If the person when he died, they see they talk bad of him. What of you when they're alive? What of me are you when they're alive? What if people go talk about us? People go talk many things about us. People go talk waiting we do, waiting we not do. They go talk about us. Ignore them. You big past them. You big past them. Just ignore them. Let peace reign. Let love lead. Yes. Forget about all those people. Forget about all those things when they do. Forget about all those things when they talk. Love yourself. Let us love ourselves. Let us become one. Let me tell you something. Your brother or your sister for social media, when they talk, they not be your problem. They not be our problem. They not be our enemy. Our real enemies are the politicians. Our real enemies are our leaders, our corrupt leaders. Those are our real enemies. Yes, they are our real enemies. People will make so many of us run for our country. People will make so many of us lose our life for Libya Road. For Libya route. People will make us lose our life for desert. People will make us lose our life for sea. Those are our enemies. Those are the people who are supposed to fight on social media. Those are the people who are supposed to talk on social media. Not be your fellow presenter. Not be your fellow presenters. We'll come together and make a difference. We'll come together and love ourselves. Yes, we'll come together and love ourselves. We'll stop the fight. Waiting the fight. Wait till they gain for the fight. Please, guys, please, I beg of you. I beg of you in the name of God. Let's use our platform to promote peace. Let us use our platform to promote oneness. Please, guys, please, I beg of you. Forget about the viewers when they push you for problem. Forget about them. As I felt talk, so they push it, they move, they push them for problem. Now, the man is back to Germany now. The man now don't get things. The man now don't get things. I watched one of the video last time. Waiting they talk now, not be able to insult anybody, not be able to talk about anybody again. Now they advise people. Now they talk about marriage. Now they talk about how to respect women. How to respect your wives, how to respect your husband. Yes, that's supposed to be. Don't be the ones who they do. The man don't get things. The man don't know say yes. All those people they push, all those people pushing for problem that time. No, they follow even past Germany. No, they follow past Germany. Even most of those people when pushing for those problems. When that problem day, when that issue day that time, it go cause some. They go record the voice. They go record the call. They go put it on social media. He can't get to know say yes. He don't get friends. As I they talk, no permanent friends, no permanent enemies. He can't get to know say he don't get friends. That is why the man advised himself. The man passed through that problem. He come back now. He do the right things now. That's supposed to be. Won't stop the hate. Won't stop the fight. As people don't talk about Tony Kabaka rich for social media. Which day Tony Kabaka come enter, he come enter social media, call the insult back. You know they Tony Kabaka when be say yes, he not go school. Tony Kabaka when be say yes, na tax collector before, na Agberu before. But as an Agberu, he do things when be say people when even go school not go fit do. That might get hotel, that might get investment. That man not they come out on social media, they insult people back. That man are maturity. That is maturity. And people they saw that man rich. That man still there alive. He never die. You insult don't fit do me anything. You insult don't fit do. You know fit even scratch person body. If you talk things for social media, blah 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 blah. At the end, waiting change. Which person life you contribute to? Nobody life. Look, Tony Kabaka, that man they enjoy, they go. If they live your life, they go. Look, this other man, Kafte Onsa. When people they come up on social media, they insult, hey, Kafte Onsa, this, Kafte Onsa, this. The man never come out on social media when they can't retaliate or can't reply people. The man they live your life, they go. The man is enjoying his life. You when you say you be BSc holder, you be master holder, you be this, you be that. Why must you come out on social media and reply people, and insult people back? That means you not go to school. Yes. Person when get things, not they behave as some of my colleagues they behave. They reply people back. No. If you get things, you're supposed to reply people back. Ignore them. Just make sure just know say they don't know anything. Because person when you know something, not go to do it is supposed to do. Person when you know something, not go to insult people. You understand, guys? Please let the saga stop. Let the insult stop. Let the fight stop on social media. Let us love ourselves. I beg of you. In your way, person when you disturb, insult social media, insult your wife, insult your husband, insult your family, insult your generation. You say that person they go up, you say that person they grow every day, you say that person they enjoy every day, you say that person not die, that person not sick. Leave her alone. Leave them alone. Stop the insult, stop the hate, stop the fight on social media. Please, guys, let's stop the fight on social media. Let's not stop the hate. Let's use our platform to encourage peace. Please, guys, please, I beg of you in the name of God. Because this thing, they give us good names. They give us bad names. They give us bad names. I know there's so many people, when they see this my video on YouTube later, I know so many people will insult me. So many people will say, wait till this guy they talk. This guy not getting. Yes, I big pass all those things. I big pass all those insults. And I promise I'm not going to reply anybody. Insult me as you like. I'm not going to reply anybody. But waiting at the talk now the truth. I don't see waiting at the talk now the truth. I don't see yes waiting at the talk now waiting go make us go forward. Go make us grow. Please, guys, let's stop the fight. Please. And for this turn to DK, when no one let people hear word for social media, when they disturb everybody with the marriage. My sister, I want to tell you something. Nobody saying you go marry. I beg. Nobody saying you go marry. If you know so your marriage no work, quiet. Stop to disturb us for social media. Your video full social media. Stop to disturb us. Nobody saying you work. Nobody saying what you do. Do not see the poor people before you go marry the man who you marry. If that man not come out or not package himself as Obasanjo's son, you for marry him. You do not for marry him. May I tell some of una, some of our all these our actresses or all these our people who if you see una do arrive. See, this life, now they push the guys when not get things. They do the things when they do. Now they push them because just imagine say person like mechanic or vulcanizer or driver come out clear, come out play, come tell you say he want marry you, but see the work when they do, you go marry her. Now bad thing for you to marry vulcanizer, now bad thing for you to marry mechanic. Now bad thing for you to marry person when you not get money. I see your video, one of your videos, you thought say you for not settle down for person we never even get. Now person we get next supposed to settle down with. That guy package himself to get you. Yes, this one will teach most of our actors things. To settle down with person we never get. To settle down with person we never arrive. With the 12 idea. The sky will be your limit. Forget about waiting your colleagues go talk, say, man, you go marry a person we not get. Yes. Not be the one stay with the man. Not be the one there the marriage with you. Now you want the marriage with the man. So if you say you marry a person we not get, yes, forget. Waiting that one mean. Waiting be that one. Say maybe my person we not get, the people come and talk, say person we go marry. Person we go marry, not get. Person we go marry, na so it be na so. No, forget. Forget about what people go talk. Please, let this one teach our actresses. Let this one teach them things. Marry for love, not marry for what the person gets. No marry for who the person be. Marry the person because you love the person, because you want to stay with the person for the rest of your life. Please, my actress, please, I beg of you. And for this Regina Daniel, when you go marry advanced man, my people, wanna leave the girl alone. Now food when hungry and then you buy. Leave the girl to enjoy marriage. Who you be say make the girl marry? May go marry small boy like may go marry small boy. May go marry person we not get things like her. Because she's just an adult, as in she's just a young person. You understand? A married person when senior and when advance pass on years. Person when go fit take off and person when be say tomorrow they will get problem for their marriage. You know go come out to social media come begin they talk. You know go come out to social media come begin they talk. Sorry guys. You understand? Person when be say yes, he go there for am. He go take am as a baby. He go treat am as a baby. Then supposed to marry. Don't be me go marry a young person like I want to say tomorrow will come. They'll get small issue for their marriage. Person go don't come out for social media. Come they talk about as they say they eat, as they say they drink, as they say they do this, as they say they do this. As this turn to decay won't be so. We be saying with your husband, with your ex-husband, one let person hear what they destroy people for social media up and down. I bet you people should leave Regina Daniel alone. Leave the small girl, make she enjoy her marriage. I want to stop to the talk say go marry old man. Please leave the girl alone. Please, guys. Leave the girl alone to enjoy his marriage. Please, I beg of you. They say na soup wey hungry person, na person dey take. Na wetin hungry person, na person dey buy, dey eat. Na wetin she like, na she want to live her life. Leave her to live her life like that. Yes, leave her to live her life like that. They say anything when person like to use the life, take turn to use the boy, take turn to na go use take turn to. Leave the girl alone. Let her live her life. That is for that. Please, guys. Please, my people. Now advise my social media presenters. I beg. Must stop the fight. Must stop the hate. Akugbe or Etin. Please. I beg of you. I beg in the name of God. Let's stop the fight. Waiting the fight. Waiting will they benefit from the fight? Waiting will they gain from the fight? Nothing. We just fool ourselves. You dey insult on that person. You dey fool yourself. Yes, let love lead. Akugbo Etin. Please, guys, I beg of you. Let the fight on social media stop. We don't be past that. We don't be past all those things. Make it stop, my people. Make it stop, guys. Please. Let the fight on social media stop. And let love lead. I beg una. I beg una. Anybody when you offend you, forgive them. Forgive. They say, it's written in the Bible. Even God talk and say, forgive others so that me, when be God, go forgive you. Forgive others their sins. Forgive others where they for the wrong you. Forgive them. Make God forgive you. Belle will not reach person eat put. Now person go put person bad person say maybe this person offend you come down for belle. Belle will not reach you eat put. When I get many things to think, now when the things say person insult me for social media, me I go insult them back. Or person offend me, I go fight them back. No, guys, we don't be past all those things. Please, we get many things to think of. We get many things to do. Let us stop the fight. Let us stop the hate. And let love lead. Please, guys, I beg of you. To be a leader is not a day job. And people, they look for people, yes, we get that leadership quality. More show the world say, yes, we get that leadership quality. More show the world say, yes, we get love for one another. Not be to the fight ourselves. Please, guys, let the fight stop. May the fight stop. May love lead. Please, guys, I beg of you. I beg all of you in the name of God. Let the fight stop. Let love lead. Akugbo Etin. Akugbe or Etin. And you when go see your brother, maybe wait for the hustle or wait for the do choro, you see your brother come. One come hustle with you. You the fighter. You the driver and say, no, me no hustle with you. Or you as a girl, wait for the hustle, you see your fellow girl come. Say, I beg, me see the stand there with you, the hustle, you say no. We can character build those on. Which love you can show that your brother or that your sister like that? Which love you can show them like that? Please, guys, let love lead. Let love lead from your own house. From your own house, let love lead. Let love lead from your environment, from your own community, from your own state, from your own country. Let love lead. More love one another. If our leaders they love us, they allow us to die. If our leaders they love us, they know the right thing, the good thing to do, but our leaders they don't love us. So why we not consider love ourselves? Make we love ourselves. More for fight corruption. Make we love ourselves. Please, guys. Please, I beg of you, my social media presenters, let's come together as one. Please. This is just an advice from me. Called it's God speaking, aka the Truth Master. For your contribution or information, you can call me on +3935 11 20 42 09. Thank you, guys. May God bless you. Happy Sunday once again. Thanks for listening. Ciao. Bye.